Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. Today we're going to start laying out my brand new painless wiring harness, which I got from Tom's Off-Road. This is custom made for the Bronco. And it was back ordered. When it came in, they shipped it the same day. I got it the next day, so no complaints. I'm just getting ready, so the timing was perfect. Thank you, Tom's Off-Road. The Bronco's over here. I've just wiped it down because I created about 7 pounds of grinder dust out after all the metal work. And I cleaned it because I don't want to get my nice new wires dirty. And why am I putting it even on this vehicle? The reason is it's a 66, so the wiring runs in a different place than the later Broncos. This kit, even though it's for a Bronco, so all the lengths are for Broncos and all the circuits are for Broncos, it's not 66, 67 specific. So what I want to do is sort of unroll certain elements of it, figure out what reaches, and see if I can minimize the number of firewall penetrations. And then that will allow me to close the holes that I don't need in the firewall, thus finishing my metal work. And now we've come full circle. And now for the unboxing. Why does everybody like unboxings? I mean, I like them too. I don't know why though. Maybe it's just a Christmas morning present thing, you know? Just get to open something new and shiny. Well, at least I don't have to worry about anything having fallen out. Holy smokes, it's packaged. Doit. Read the provided installation manual from front to back. Unless you're Persian, then you can read it back to front. All right. Warnings. Okay, we've got a series of connectors. And screws and connectors. Oh, that's the classic braid. Oh, I bought some of this actually. Okay. Zip ties galore. Ignition. Sticker. Scalper. Battery cable, okay. Okay, whoa, dude. That's a lot of wire, man. That's the thing. They give you some chapstick, dielectric grease, brand new glove box, that's sexy. Some stickers, more address labels, and a very hefty manual. This is a quality kit, I gotta tell you. I've got the auto wire or the quick wire on the Scout, which is great, but this is like next level. Way bigger manual. That's good stuff. Great. Okay, so this is what I need to unroll. I am not going to read the instructions front to back because I'm not going to be installing this today. I'm just going to be laying out to figure out what I need to do. And then it's going to go back in the box until I'm ready to call it out again. Okay, good stuff. Let's go to the truck. So each group is labeled. For example, this is neutral, safety, and engine section, right? So this is definitely going to be one of the sections that plays into this exercise we're doing. This is the fuse block, so that goes over in that region here. And these are all individually labeled. So you can see accessory 1, accessory whatever, accessory. So this is like an accessory group of some kind. So that's not what I'm looking for is brake warning, starter solenoid. It gets overwhelming. You need to just not focus on that, okay? Like, it's gonna be okay. Passenger headlight. And then what I wanna do with the passenger side is bring this across here. Oh yeah. There's plenty of room. Get to the solenoid, get to the headlights, get to the alternator. Money, man. Nice. That's as far as I'm going with the harness today. I literally just wanted to know if I get away with one hole in the firewall. And I know what size hole I need, so I'm gonna locate it up near one where the ammeter wire came through. I should have read the instructions front to back, and some of you are probably screaming at me. By the way, that Persian comment is not an insult. Persian people know why I said back to front. Anyway, the 66 Bronco has two rectangular holes in the firewall where the bulkhead connectors go through, and then the fuse block mounts to the back of those bulkhead connectors. Really awkward design, which is why they changed it, presumably. It was a good change. The Painless kit is so complete. I mean, the more I dig into it, the more impressed I am. But basically, it comes with this plate. So if you can imagine two rectangular holes, you just cut the divider in your firewall. This goes over it, and then there's a multi sort of size grommet that goes. So that's what I'm going to use, and I can still do all that single hole routing through there. And I also checked the engine group, and it still works. I might need to extend one or two wires, but I really like having one place through the firewall where everything goes. I don't know why. I don't know why I like it. I just do. Okay, back to me. And then I just need to make sure I've got my speedo cable and whatever heater cable goes through, and then I can close up the other wire holes in the firewall, and then we'll be done with the body work. And then I can needle off the undercoating. Then I can pull the body off the frame. Then I can clean the frame. Then I can paint the axles. And then next time on Matt's Garage.